So I try to use most of my garden harvest fresh and try to work it into dishes right away because the flavor is at its peak and it also has more nutrition. However, sometimes I have more than I can cook, and so I like to freeze some of my vegetables. Primarily, I freeze peppers, and so here I have some bell peppers. I'll show you how I like to freeze bell peppers. I'll also show you how I like to freeze little chili peppers. So make sure, of course, to wash your produce first. And then for bell peppers, I like to just slice them right down vertically around the ribs and the seeds. And what I end up with is a nice little center. And of course, I can take this and put it in my garden for next year. So I drop it in my compost bin, and then into the composter it will go. And I like to just give my peppers a rough chop because this is normally how I work them into recipes throughout the winter for rice and spaghetti and that kind of thing. But you certainly can just slice them for stir fries. So just cut them down to whatever size it is that you use in your recipes. And then I take a metal pan and I'll line it with parchment paper. This just helps keep the peppers from sticking to the metal as it freezes. And we basically just want to put these right on our parchment paper and then just smooth them out to a single layer as evenly as possible. And when we freeze these, see, it will make it easier to pull out of the bag so they're not all stuck together. And so into the freezer they go. Usually overnight is fine. And so the next day I'll just use my parchment paper as a little guide to work them right into my little freezer Ziploc bag. I like to make sure I use the freezer bags because I'll be using these all winter long up until hopefully through the spring. And so into the bag they go, which I have already labeled so I know what I have packaged up here. And now back into the freezer they go. I do my small chili peppers a little bit differently. I don't have to cut them up first. I just drop them right into the Ziploc bag, super easy, and then I pop them into the freezer. And then later on, my bell peppers are ready to go for onions, for spaghetti, for rice and beans, anything like that. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below the video, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a beautiful day.